to an open body. So if your legs are crossed, I want you to uncross your legs. If your arms are crossed, I want you to just like gently lay them on your knees beside you. We're gonna physically open up our bodies. Be open to feeling, open to receiving, nothing cut off. And so let's close our eyes for a brief moment. And to ground into this space, let's take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. And in this calm and this grounded space that you are creating, we get to do just as Michael has explained and beautifully portrayed. We get to listen to our body's wisdom. And so focus on the sensations that are occurring within your body on this next breath. Deep breath in through your nose. Being very aware of the sensations that are occurring in your body. Is the air cold around your nostrils when you inhale? Do you feel tightness anywhere in your chest or torso when the breath gets a little too big? What does the exhale feel like coming out of your mouth? And this awareness we get to shift into our emotional body as well. So for a moment, we are going to choose emotions and we are going to feel these emotions. So all of our eyes are closed and I invite you to get as silly as you can. But I want you to exemplify, to exaggerate the emotions I speak on your face. So if I say joy, I want your face to go just crazy happy, huge smile, it hurts your cheeks. So do joy. Joy on your face. What does it feel like? What does it look like to you? What does joy feel like in your chest and in your tummy and in your body? What are your hands doing right now with joy? Okay, let's go to fear. Over-exaggerate fear in your body. What are your eyebrows doing? How does your throat feel? Has your breath changed at all with fear? Now let's move into anger. Like cartoon movie anger, you feel that rage inside of you. Where is it? Where is that fire? Is your body more tense? Where is it more tense? What does it feel like? And now let's move into shame. What does shame feel like? Within your chest, within your stomach. How has the shape of your body shifted with shame? And now let's move into sadness. And just notice. Notice where and what sadness feels like in your body. And now let's move into happiness, just content. Everything you have, you need before you. Perhaps there is a gentle smile on your face. And come back to your breath. Noticing again on the inhale and the exhale how it affects you. And look back on this experience of how easy it was to choose to shift your emotions, but also how abundantly these emotions affected your physical being, and how we can reverse engineer that. A pain in your shoulder, some weight behind your eyes. Oh wow, I might be sad. Let's lean into that and let it flow through me. Some excitement in your chest, some energy behind your face. Oh wow, I'm excited, I'm energized. Let's lean into that. And so I'm leaving you with this one question. What is your truth in this moment? Not 30 seconds ago, not tomorrow, this moment. Feel it, think about it, speak it out loud as I speak mine. My truth in this moment is I feel grounded and calm, but I also feel a little anxious in my chest. What is that truth? It is tight. It feels a little erratic and energized. My shoulders are clenched, but my mouth, my face, my eyes are so calm, so peaceful, so safe feeling. And I acknowledge that they both exist together at the same time. Take a deep breath in and release with a sigh. And slowly open your eyes when you feel called to. And I invite you to take this awareness, this somatic listening and hearing into the rest of this experience today and the rest of your life.